Top speed, 2,500 miles per hour. Max flight distance, 3,337 miles. Any aerospace enthusiast, and they will tell you that. The SR-71 Blackbird is among their most favorite fighter jets, and with good reason. It is in a class of its own. The Blackbird has not only blown away world airspeed records time and time again, but it has also won multiple awards for achievements in aeronautic design, performance, and versatility. The State Route 71 is a stealth fighter that can barely be seen, let alone hit. The only military jet that comes close is the Soviet MiG-25 Foxbat, and even it has an incredibly difficult time keeping up with the undisputed king of fighter jets. Here is a video of the SR-71 Blackbird.